If you inherited a house in Walbridge, Ohio, or if you have a house in Walbridge that's going through a probate process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying properties and buying houses in Walbridge, Ohio, and all over the Toledo area. And we've worked with a ton of sellers who are selling because they inherited the property. So we understand first off and firsthand that you probably already have enough on your plate. There could be attorneys and courts involved, and could be a lot of paperwork and stuff. So the last thing we're going to do is make it more complex or, more complicated than it needs to be. We're going to keep it simple. In fact, one of our core values as a company is KISS. It's to keep it super simple. The way we're going to do that is we're going to buy the inherited house here in Walbridge in its as-is condition. So that means you don't need to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away, and anything you do want, any family collectibles or, memories or family heirlooms and belongings, by all means, you can take all that. But anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. We're never going to ask you to write any checks here to fix things and send a handyman through before we close, because we're not relying on a third-party mortgage company or that type of lender before we can buy your house. Now, if you were working with a more traditional buyer that has a real estate agent where you pay commissions and then they're relying on this mortgage company or this lender to approve the transaction after sending through a thorough inspector and the appraisal, and then they come back with a list of things they want and all these terms and conditions, and it's very convoluted, it's very complicated, and all of it's unnecessary. You want to work with a cash buyer who's going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and that's exactly what we do, because you pick your closing date. If you're working with a traditional buyer, with a traditional lender, they pick the closing date because they can't close until the lender gives the green light. With us, there's no one to give a green light. It's just us. So if you need or want to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. Or if you need flexibility and you want to set a future date, or there's other family members involved, whatever the case may be, we will accommodate your needs. So if you inherited a house in Walbridge, or if you have a house going through the probate process in Walbridge, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name, but we're very active in Walbridge, in Toledo, and all over Ohio. We were just founded in Columbus, and we kept the name. So if you inherited a property, you just want to see what your options are, give us a call, and when we speak, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're looking to close. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property, and if our offer works for you, fantastic, that's great. We'll move forward. We're going to keep it simple, communicate effectively throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure, fake urgency, gimmicks, or sales tactics. We're local. This is not a call center located in some foreign distant land who's trying to talk to you about your house in Ohio, who knows nothing about the area, right? We're locals. We're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fairly. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and positive references as well. So our number again is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. If you inherited a house in Walbridge, Ohio, or if you have a house in Walbridge that's going through the probate process, call us today and let's see what your options are. Once again, my name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.